Hey friends, welcome to Admission Labs, your partner for study abroad tips and visa updates. If you're thinking about studying or working in Germany, then this video is a must watch because I have got some major updates regarding the visa process. The German Consulate has announced some groundbreaking changes in the visa application process and it's going to make everything faster and easier and convenient. Before we jump into details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you never miss an update. Trust me, you don't want to miss anything when it comes to your study abroad plans. Alright, let's get right into it. Germany is making some big changes to how visa applications are handled and it's all for better. This is some digitalization in the visa process. The German Consulate has announced the launch of Consular service portal for visa applications. This platform will allow you to upload your documents online, making the entire visa process faster and more convenient. This is such a great news for all of us, especially if you have been dealing with long waiting times and complicated paperwork. Starting next week, you will be able to digitally upload your visa application documents and book your visa appointments through this new platform. The link to the portal is on screen right now. And you know what is the best part? This means you'll no longer have to wait for that VFS mails about when you can book your scheduled appointment. Instead, everything will be managed through this new platform, streamlining the whole process. This is really a game changer for who are applying for visa, especially students. You can now submit everything online from applications to your documents, and then you'll book your appointment online through the same platform. No longer waiting lines or confusion, you can now do everything from home. And if you have got an email from VFS saying that you are not anymore in waiting list, don't worry. It's just because of this change. Now you need to apply again using the new digital visa portal. Let me explain you how you can do it faster, righter and at your home. So here what you need to do. First, log in to this portal www.digital.diplo.de. This is an official consular service portal for Germany visa application. Create your account if you don't already have one. Upload all the required documents online. Make sure everything is clear and complete. After uploading, you will then book your appointment. So make sure you do this as soon as possible to avoid any delays. And please double check all files before submitting. Mistakes can cause delays. If you have already submitted your application, don't worry, you can just ignore this mail. But if you haven't started yet, make sure to check the Consular service portal. The link is in the description below. Well, here's why you need to care about this portal, because speed is everything when it comes to visa applications. You will get your visa application processed much faster. You will be able to track your progress every step on the way, which means less stress and more time to focus on your preparations for Germany. Also, here are some quick few tips to make sure your application process goes smoothly. Write a strong statement of purpose. That means also SOP. And explain why you are going to Germany. Why did you choose this specific course? What are your future plans? Also show financial proofs. Open a German blocked account or get a sponsor letter. Get health insurance. You will need it for the visa of at least 180 days. Double check your documents. The new system might be faster, but you still need to make sure everything is complete. Missing documents or pending documents that can cause delays. Submit your visa applications early. Don't wait until the last minute. The earlier you submit, the better your chances are of getting the visa on time. And also, book your appointment right after uploading. Don't leave it hanging. Once you upload everything, book your appointment quickly to get a spot. Here's a quick recap. Here's what you need to know about this new consular service portal. It's launching soon and will allow you to upload all your visa documents online starting from next week. The old waiting list is no longer valid, so you will be able to book your visa appointments through this platform directly. If you have already applied, you don't need to do anything. Make sure to go to www.digital.diplo.de to start your application. This is the huge step forward in making the visa process quicker and easier for students or professionals like you who are dreaming of living in Germany. Ready to make sure your visa application is perfect? Then contact us now to get your visa application checklist verified so you can avoid errors and reduce waiting times due to missing or pending documents. We are here to help you and make your study abroad dream come true without the stress. Check the description below for the link to get in touch with us. And also, this update makes getting a German visa so much easier. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Have questions? Drop them in comments. I'll try to answer them all. That's all for today. Wishing you all the best for your visa, Germany visa, and gute Reise. See you in next video.